yo, this decision might kill this channel. So I recently made a decision that some of the YouTube gurus and experts probably would think I was crazy to do, and probably think like, yo, this is YouTube suicide, right? Wait, can we say suicide on YouTube? Shit, I don't know. But anyway, a lot of people probably will go against what I'm about to do, but honestly, I really don't care. Like I talked about in a few videos a few months ago about YouTube and how to be successful on it. And honestly, I feel like anybody can be successful with YouTube, but you just got to find your lane, and ultimately you got to create the content that you want to create. Now, of course, you want to have a little bit appeal to your videos, right? Like you want to have a balance between making the things you want to make and what you feel that other people would be interested in. All right, so you got to find that little balance. So for the longest time, I have been debating with this channel, like, yo, you know, I got 3 main channels, right? I got a channel that's basically like a variety channel / music channel. Then I got this channel, which is all about being an entrepreneur and making money online, working from home. Then I got a fitness channel, which basically is just all about like working out and supplement reviews and things like that. Now, I'm going to actually still keep my channels. All 3 channels are going to be still active, but I'm making a huge change. And that change is on this channel, all right? This channel, I'm going to be more variety, all right? This channel is going to be expanded out a lot more than just the normal how to make money online, network marketing, affiliate marketing, how to be an entrepreneur. That's great. And I'm still going to be dropping that content. But like, I have a lot of opinions, right? There's a lot more in my mind than just, you know, how to promote affiliate products, right? And I'm like trying to put those thoughts and create content and thumbnails and all this just to put it on another channel, which is not even as big or as active as this channel, right? It's just it gets frustrating, right? And it gets very time consuming, pretty much annoying, and I just feel I'm just kind of tired of that, to be honest with you. So for now on, I'm going to be putting more variety content on this channel, more of what I'm about, more of what I'm into, my thought process. Now, some people will look at that and be like, oh shit, that's risky. You know what I mean? That's risky because you're going to turn off a lot of people. Like, who cares? Like for real, who cares? Because first of all, if somebody follow me and they like what I'm saying or whatever, and then they stumble upon me on another one of my channels, you're going to see different opinions. You might hear some shit that you don't like or you don't agree with. Ultimately, like I said in the past, especially with this YouTube, the way the world is, you got to be you. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I understand you can't completely maybe say everything you want to say and do what you want to do, but ultimately, you being on YouTube this day, you got to be you. You got to be authentic, and you can't be apologetic for it. Like I said, this channel from here on out, I'm going to put my thoughts on. You know, if I want to talk about what's going on in the news, right? If I want to talk about music, if I want to, well, and one thing I'm really excited about doing on here is movie reviews. I am a movie junkie. All right, like I love movies, so I'm gonna be doing my movie reviews over here, what's going on in the news, my just opinions on whatever I want, and still talk about being an entrepreneur and making money online and reaching my financial goals. To make a long story short, I'm really doing what the hell I want to do on this channel. So doing this might actually grow my channel, or it might kill my channel, but either way, I don't really care because I'm gonna have fun with this shit. And so if it killed the channel, it is what it is.